Stop. Just stop scrolling for a moment and listen. Right now, your brain is capable of far more than you're using. Smarter, sharper, faster. But most people never unlock it. They waste it. They let it sit dormant while life passes them by. But not you. Not today. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises. Yes, just 5. That can completely transform your mind. Exercises so powerful that if you do them daily, your memory will sharpen, your focus will become unstoppable, and your thinking will feel lightning fast. Let me tell you a secret most people will never know. Your brain is like a muscle. If you don't train it, it weakens. But if you do, it grows. It adapts. It becomes something almost superhuman. And these exercises, simple as they may seem, are the exact sparks that trigger that transformation. Imagine waking up tomorrow and your mind just works. You focus without effort. You remember without trying. Problems that used to slow you down now feel like child's play. People around you will notice it. And deep down, you'll feel it too. A sense of clarity, control, power. But here's the thing. Knowledge alone won't change your brain. You must act. Every second you wait is a second your brain stays the same. But if you follow these exercises, minute by minute, day by day, your brain starts to rewire itself. Neural pathways strengthen. Focus sharpens. Memory becomes a weapon. So listen closely, watch closely, absorb. Because what you're about to learn isn't common. It's practical, it's proven. And when you do it, your mind will never be the same. The question isn't whether your brain can change. It's whether you will let it. Are you ready to unlock your brain's hidden potential? To push it beyond limits you didn't know existed? Because in the next few minutes, that journey begins. The first exercise is called the Dual N-Back Challenge. It might sound complicated, but it's simple. Your goal is to remember sequences of numbers and positions at the same time. Start small. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first. The more you practice, the more your working memory grows. Here's the trick. Your brain thrives on challenge. Every time you struggle to remember, every time you push past the confusion, new connections are made. Neural pathways fire. Your focus sharpens. Your memory becomes more reliable. Do this daily for just 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll start noticing changes in how your brain handles complex tasks effortlessly. Exercise 2 is morning visualization. Close your eyes each morning for a few minutes. Picture yourself solving problems, achieving goals, moving through your day with precision. See yourself remembering everything clearly. Your brain doesn't distinguish between real and imagined experiences. It reacts to patterns. So when you visualize success, your mind begins preparing for it. Problems you once avoided suddenly have solutions. Ideas come naturally. This isn't magic. It's your brain rewiring itself, creating the pathways to think faster, focus deeper, and act smarter. Even 5 minutes a day can set the tone for the entire day. Exercise 3 is all about cross-training your brain. Use your non-dominant hand for daily tasks, brushing, writing, even small drawings. Alternate tasks between left and right sides of your body. This feels awkward at first. Your brain resists. That's exactly why it works. New neural connections form. The parts of your brain that rarely communicate start talking to each other. Your thinking becomes more flexible. Your brain becomes faster, sharper, more adaptable. This simple daily habit primes your mind for any challenge. Exercise 4 is the memory palace. Imagine a house or a palace in your mind. Assign information to different rooms, a grocery list, facts, names, ideas. Walk through it mentally and recall everything effortlessly. This technique has been used by memory champions for centuries, and it works because your brain loves spatial organization. Facts placed in a room become easier to remember. Start small, even 3 to 5 items, then scale up. Within weeks, you'll recall long sequences, names, and details without effort. Your memory will feel like a superpower. The 5th and final exercise is mental math and quick thinking. Stop relying on calculators for small problems. Add, subtract, multiply, or estimate numbers in your head. Challenge yourself to answer faster every day. Your brain thrives on speed and problem solving. When you force it to think quickly, neural connections strengthen. Your mind adapts, becoming sharper and more decisive. Quick thinking isn't just numbers. It improves your overall processing speed, logic, and focus. Practice daily, even for a few minutes, and watch your mental agility skyrocket. Do these 5 exercises consistently. Watch how your focus intensifies, your memory sharpens, and your thinking speeds up. You'll start noticing details you used to miss. Ideas will flow naturally. Challenges that once overwhelmed you will feel easier. Your brain isn't just functioning, it's evolving. And the best part? Each of these exercises is simple, easy to integrate, and incredibly effective. No gimmicks, no fluff, just pure brain power, waiting for you to unlock it. Now, take a deep breath. You've just discovered 5 simple exercises that can rewire your brain completely. And somewhere deep inside, you already feel it, don't you? That spark of motivation, that quiet whisper saying, "I want to start today," because you know your brain is powerful, but unused power fades. It dies in comfort. And if you keep it idle, it forgets how great it can be. But the moment you challenge it, the moment you start training it, something changes. You begin to think faster, focus longer, remember deeper. You start to feel alive again. Now ask yourself, which one of these exercises will you start today? Will you build your memory palace? Will you train your brain with mental math? Or maybe start your morning with visualization? Comment it below. Tell me, which one do you want to master first? Because the moment you write it down, your brain takes it seriously. It becomes a command, a decision. And that's when growth truly begins. Remember this, your mind is your greatest weapon. Every single thought you train, every second you invest, turns your brain into something unstoppable. The difference between who you are and who you want to be lies in how you train your mind. So don't just watch this and scroll away. Take action. Comment your favorite exercise below. Then start today. Because one day people will look at you and say, "You've changed," and you'll smile, knowing it all began the moment you decided to train your brain.